pop that up.
Using what?
There's a really small flathead screwdriver. Like it's small. It's a Phillips. So we're stripping the car. So, that one's loose. So let's see if there's one there. Yeah, so right where your door handle is, right there. So, Phillips again. So that's 2. Hey, I thought it was more than 2.
What?
Should be one under there somewhere.
No, there's only one.
Yeah, I got that one in the pocket, and I got the one underneath.
You don't need to do that one.
Oh, I still did it.
Lift that out. Unplug it.
Yeah. 2 screws. Unplug it. Really? Piece of garbage. Wow. I just don't do well with small things. I'm under pressure.
No pressure.
I think we're keeping this mic set.
Just in case.
Yeah. All right. Then the door card should pop right off. Yeah.
All the clips.
Yep. And the stupid thing is that we've already taken off the clips because we've already been in here. So the door handle's there. I don't know what the heck is he's doing this. I just want to cut myself with my other finger. Oh, that's gooey. Hey, look, right hand. Right hand. Okay, how did you get to the door handle? Oh, that's still there. Oh, he's using a socket.
Underneath?
Yeah, in there. This is gonna be a mic thing.
Yeah. You can't get enough to the camera at all, unfortunately.
No. Alright. So that's how you dismantle part of a door.
Part of it.
Yay.